All right, maybe me share my screen. We are really moving good with NLP. Okay, so we are in between Twitter sentiment analysis use case we are running. Sorry. Now, can I? Do you want? Okay. And after this, we'll continue with what exactly, no, sir? SPACY library. Okay. Are we not done? Okay. Okay. Easy. And model deployment also. ML model deployment also will cover. Let us start. We done these are all simple text block sentiment. These are all Twitter corpus actually. Then what exactly we are doing? We are trying to creating a text-based model. What model? Text-based model. The problem statement is called as a either positive or sentiment analysis. What analysis? Sentiment. Imagine go back to the movies or else any product in Amazon. If somebody have given the review, either that review can be positive or negative or neutral. Positive or negative or what exactly? Neutral. Otherwise, above positive, below positive, these are all. Okay. Maybe to do that one, yesterday we are loading these are all data sets already available. Maybe yesterday I have already shown positive, the tweets, and next one is what exactly? Negative tweets actually. I need to continue this one from right today. Let's continue. It's okay. It's okay. Let's move on. Good. Let's move on. Daniel, first point. Can you help me? So how to load these are all files actually? So simple. Let me just try to use Notepad++. First we need to import so and so package demo1.py. Go to the desktop, go to the coding, click on this. Okay. Now here, do you want to capture all positive tweets actually? This one is a syntax. Daniel, I wanted to capture all negative syntax actually, all negative, tweets. Then, Twitter samples, main package, sub package, one more sub package. By using that one, you're calling function. Positive underscore tweets dot what exactly JSON. Negative underscore tweets dot what exactly JSON. These are all positive tweets, negative tweets we displayed yesterday. These are all list of positive tweets. What exactly? List of. Okay. List of positive tweets. Now the next one. List of negative tweets. Yeah, I'm sorry. Let's move on. It is taking some time, little longer. Oh, come on. Good. All positive tweets and negative tweets we are creating in a one shot actually. This is something like 5,000 strings, both combined, 10,000 strings. How many? 10,000 actually. Okay. Now let's move on. So this we are not using. Anyway, if you want, you can get these overall 20,000 strings actually. So and so specific dates, but we are not using this. All tweets. Now, important, sir. There is one important point. Let me tell you. First of all, understand the requirement. Daniel, what is the requirement? Please. There is one small list, kind of some employees, kind of some what exactly employees. The first name is called as a Daniel. Second name is called as a Raju. Third name is called as a Rani. How many members actually చెప్పండి? 3 members. Daniel, Raju, Rani. Right? Yes, sir. String means sentence, right? String data. What I mean to say that. Okay. Good. But I'm expecting this output actually. What output I'm expecting, list of tuple. Tuple number 1. Tuple number 2. Tuple number 3. Each tuple, first one should be name. Okay. First one should be what exactly name, comma. Here I wanted to write data scientist. Okay. On the next tuple. The next tuple. Next tuple. Close the discussion. Second one Raju again. And here also what exactly, sir? Data scientist. And here also, can you talk with me? What is this one? Rani. And here also what exactly, sir? Data scientist. Yeah, good. I'm sorry. Now, let me tell you, this one is input. This one is what exactly, sir? Input. From this input, Daniel, we need output like this actually. We need what exactly? Output. What is output? Simple. First of all, again, list actually. Again, what exactly mean list? We need a tuple. We need what exactly tuple? All first index is the name, and the second index will be what exactly? Data scientist. Let us try this. You will get an idea. Okay? Yeah, good. Let's try this. Okay, let's just try to try this. Think logically, how to do? Let us apply. For EMP in employees, let us just try to print EMP. Okay. Then just try to provide a comma. And here you can just try to specify data scientist. Good. Yeah. 1 minute. Let me explain. List comparison also we can use. Very good actually. Look at the output. I'm bringing the output slowly by slowly. I'm transforming actually. Here what I need, sir? Tuple. Then do one thing. These both two values you can keep within the tuple. Okay. Both two values you can keep within what exactly tuple. Understand how I am wow. Very nice. That to these three tuples in one list. Then what we can do? We can just have to create a results empty. Then here results dot append method. What method? Append method. And here for append method you need to add the tuple. You need to add what exactly? Tuple. If you want, I will explain one more time. Please be patient. See, print of result. Now let's just have to print this one. All right. Perfect. We got it actually. మీకు అర్థమైందా లేదా సార్? If you want, let me repeat one more time. Daniel, what you're doing, Daniel? Simple. I'm iterating the name. Once I'm iterating the name, immediately I'm just trying to append. First of all, inside append there is a one tuple. First value is the name, and next one is the hard-coded value. That's still fine. Then you will get what exactly, no, sir? List of tuples. You will get what exactly? List of. Are you clear? Right. You can achieve by using list comparison also. We can achieve by using list comparison also. Daniel, why you explained this example? Why I explained, you know, sir? Now we have a positive and negative tweets. We have what exactly? Positive and negative tweets. What exactly we are doing is we are going to create a list of, here is the tweet, and here if it is a positive POS, if it is a positive POS, if it is a positive POS, that we are planning to create. Daniel, why? We know very well that is a positive tweets, but we need to create a model for a tuple actually. Come on. What is the question? Why is not list of list used instead of list of tuples actually? Sir, historical data, think like, you know, make it like immutable so that we cannot change in between actually. That's the reason. Siddiq Sarji, immutable, historical data, right? This one is a historical data. I don't want to somebody supposed to be changed actually. Okay. If you want, we can create list also. Where are we? Back to the session. Daniel, you can go back here. Yes, these are all positive tweets. Now I just wanted to extract one by one tweet. At the same time, I wanted to add one tag. That tag as a POS. The tag as a. Are you clear, sir? Now, if you want, I will show you one small example. Please be patient. We'll do one thing. Okay, panchadam. We'll do one thing. These are all positive tweets, right? I don't want all these 5,000 tweets, man. I need only top 5. I need only how to get actually any idea for P underscore tweets in POS tweets, and here, sir, first of all, this one is a list actually. First to 5 values nela techukuntam. 0 to 5. Ante kada. That's it. Then you can just have to print what exactly? P underscore tweets. Indirectly we are telling, hey, I need 5 tweets as of now. I need 5 tweets. Good. Tweet number 1, tweet number 2, tweet number 3. We are getting actually one by one, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I guess actually. Anyway, we are getting each one is a separate tweet. Do you want to, you know, confirmation actually? Which tweet belongs to which one? 5 tweets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. Now, each one is a string like a Daniel, like a Raju, like a Ronnie. I wanted to store each tweet within the tuple. At the same time, comma, I wanted to add a tag. What is a tag actually? POS. Can you help me actually? Help chestara? Ela cheyochu danni. Let us create one small, so kind of some result equals to empty list. Then can you help me? Yeah, result dot చెప్పండి sir. Dot append method. And here tuple is required. What is required? Tuple. And here ptweet చెప్పండి sir, comma POS. That's it. Very nice. Now at last you can just have to print a result. Now indirectly what we are doing, sir? Indirectly what we are doing, result. We are adding only for 5. I wanted to add for all, then delete this actually. But anyway, let me show you the first 5. You'll get a clarity. Wow. Look at my screen. Very nice. From here to here, sir. From here to here, tweet number 1, tuple number 1. From here to here, tuple number 2. From here to here, tuple number 3. Where is the third actually? Do you want it to iterate one by one actually? Yeah, simple. So for R in result, column symbol R. Column symbol, what symbols are R actually? Now let us run this one. Yeah, good. Make a note on this one. Positive, negative, negative. Okay. Sir, we are loading positive tweets, right? Siddiq Sarji, we are loading positive tweets, right? Then we need to add a positive tweet. Negative also we are applying actually. Yeah, good, good, good. Thank you, thank you. Thanks for understanding. Are you clear? Good. Now here we done only for 5, right? I wanted to do for all. Then delete this actually. Then 5,000 tweets. For every tweet we are adding POS tag. Cinema actual. Same story for negative. Let's do that. Anyway, so positive tweet set we are adding. At the same time, we are iterating one by one. If you want actually, can I take this example? Getting positive tweets. This is something like a data preparation. This is something like what exactly mean? Data preparation. We are preparing the data for model. Data preparation, Daniel. Data preparation. Now let's take this. Can I read this one quickly? Yeah. Positive tweets. Daniel, prepare the data. Yeah, exactly. Why? Because list conference itself is returning list. Yeah. I'm sorry, sir. That's the added advantage. Even in real time, we are using more list comprehension. Wherever for loop came, if you want result is the list, actually go for list comprehension. If you don't want list, go for loop. Simple. When you can go for loop, when you can go for list comprehension. List comprehension. Are you looking for result as a list actually? Go for list comprehension. I don't want result actually. I wanted to display the result. Why? Because for loop can expose and display the result actually. Go for loop. Okay. Now at last, you can just have to iterate one by one. Any idea? If I am running, what is output actual? Output into chaptara. Very good, sir. Indentation error. You become expert in indentation error actually. Let us fix this. I will stop this, don't worry. Yeah. So tuple actual, tuple. Daniel, why you store the data in a tuple? Why? Because first of all, this tweet we should not get update actual. Why? Because that is a historical data. What data? I don't want to, somebody will come in between, he will change. If you are giving, here is the list actually, somebody can update the tweet. I don't want to do that. Then go for tuple. When should you go for a tuple? When should you go for list, Daniel? Simple. Do you need immutable data? Go for tuple. I don't want immutable data. For me, mutable data is fine actually. There are two types of data with my analysis, mutable and immutable. Mutable and immutable. Can be changed, cannot be changed. Can be changed and what exactly? Cannot be changed actually. Okay. Yeah. Move to the next one. Getting negative reviews. Same story. Now we are doing for negative actually. Daniel, can we do actually? Yeah, you can do, sir. You can do for this. And you can just try to delete this. Can somebody help me? Same story, sir. And here, if you want, you can make it tweet 1, tweet 1, tweet 2, tweet 2. That's still okay. Chapan, sir, what is this? Negative tweets. And first of all, you need to capture the negative tweets. I'm combining both steps actually. Here you need to read actually for loop. And here it should be done almost. This one should be Chapan, sir, NEG. NEG. Did I miss anything? No. This for loop is for first positive and the second for loop is for negative actually. Yeah, you are reading the negative, you are reading the positive. All right, good man. You can just have to print positive and negative. Anyway, that is not required. We are not printing as of now. Data preparation. Yeah, previously what you done for positive tweets, now we done for negative tweets, sir. Please understand. Oh, I got it. Good catch. Thank you. Good catch actually. Almost. Who catch that point? ఎవరు క్యాచ్ చేశారు సార్? సుప్రియ మేడం గారు. వెరీ గుడ్. ఓకే, గుడ్. ఆర్ యూ రెడీ? కెన్ ఐ రన్? టోటల్ 10,000 రివ్యూస్. Few minutes, few seconds, we'll see. Done in one shot actually. For loop is displaying something like a show the data. That's still okay. Positive one, negative, we done. Take this example. Daniel, this step is so called as a data preparation. We prepared the data. We have taken the data, we prepared the data in such a way that positive means positive tag we added actually, negative means negative tag we added actually. Now go for splitting the data set. What we are doing, you know, sir, there is a one function. Function name is so called as a shuffle. What is the function? Shuffle. This is available inside in random. If you want, let me work on this one. You will get an idea. Please. Py import random. From random. Import shuffle. Import what exactly, sir? Shuffle. You do one thing. Equals to, let us just have to provide 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Good. Shuffle off, you can just have to provide A. Now check A. Did you notice? Previously, list to data structure insertion order is fixed. Insertion order is fixed. But now I wanted to shuffle the data. This is something like a keep some coins inside box. You can do like this actually. You know how to play that game. I know very well. I played actually. This is something like a shuffling. My father cards shuffled actually, right? Yeah. Here we are doing the same. Shuffle is a predefined function coming from random module. Coming from random actually. Okay. We are shuffling positive tweets and negative tweets. Yeah. You can do it. You will get a name error. Daniel, why? Why means you are not importing, right? name error. By this stage, two things actually. Before running the program, you can guess the error. Point number one. Point number two. After you are getting error, you should be independent to fix actually by this time. You should be independent, especially top 10 errors, syntax error, name error, type error, value error, indentation error, file not found error. These are all actual. Module not found error. In real time, let me tell you, these errors only keep on repeat, sir. Keep on repeat these errors only. Many people will struggle. You can't believe. I'm sorry for saying. If anyone already know data science, if anyone already know Python, ask them, tell me 10 error names. But you can tell actually. Are you with me? Yeah. I'm not pointing others, but I'm telling how the way you learned actually. You can just have to take this one. IPL చూస్తున్నారా? Are you watching IPL actually? I didn't see not even single ball. It's okay. Up to you. Good. Back to the session. Now let us prepare the data. Let us prepare what exactly data. We are creating a variable test underscore set. The next one will be train underscore set. For test underscore set, what we are doing, sir? We are not using train underscore test underscore split. This one is a NLP actually. Listen carefully. From the positive tweets, we are taking, first of all, positive tweets total how many? Positive tweets sets. How many? 5,000. Out of 5,000, we are taking only 300. We are taking only how many? Because 300 is fine for me as of now. If you are giving more data, it takes a lot of time for computation actually. From positive, you are taking 300. From negative, you are taking 300. You are shuffling actually. You are mixing together. And the next one will be, generally speaking, training data set should be very long data set actually. Yeah, that's okay, sir. Come on. Next one, training data set. You can just have to take. The next one will be, 300 you can take. And here also 300. If you want, you can take more tweets also. That is still fine. But I am taking very less data sets actually. Are you with me? Good. Now let us just have to create train and test data sets. Any idea plus symbol? What is the meaning of plus symbol? Concatenation. Adding for numerical data. Here both are lists actually. Both are what exactly mean? List. Concatenation. Man, you guys are almost ready. Train data set is ready. Test data set is ready. What is the next step? Train the model actually. Good. Let me run. Any issues actually we'll see. Very good, sir. Oh, sure, sir. Even for me, I feel same. Yeah. Can I stop? Okay. కాసేపు ఆపుదాం. For 2 minutes. 2 minutes. I wanted to check with you. Sir, when we started this batch, any idea? When we started? Come again? Come again? November? November. Okay, 11. December 11. John 11. Feb 11. March 11. April 11. It's okay. I would like to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. So maybe, yeah, when the 5th month is running, 5th month, if you 5 months are over, 6 months is running, right? Maybe one more point. Almost we traveled 6 months, 5 months, more than 5 months actually. Per day, frankly speaking, if you done what exactly the practice of minimum 1 hour practice actually. How long time? 1 hour practice. Almost you are containing, let me tell you, more than 5 months. Think like more than what exactly? 5 months. Keep continuing the same practice until you get a job actually. Don't stop, please, I request you. I'm repeating again, Daniel, what do you mean? If you done practice of minimum 1 hour, almost, since a long actually, it's not like a 1 day, 2 day, 3 days, right? Keep on continuing the practice. Please continue the same until you get a job. Daniel, why? After job, automatically you will join in project actually. Practice, it will be rotate automatically. Sir, in between, don't stop the practice. If you stop the practice, gone case actually. Gone case. I request you. All right. Keep continuing. Keep continuing. Online team, how you guys are doing practice? Offline team, I can connect with them and I can talk with them. What about online team? What about online team, sir? No response from anybody. Keep continuing. If you're working employee, that's still okay. I will accept. You might be busy due to your personal and office work actually, but during weekend time you can spend. Okay, good. Okay, let's move on. Sir, I have a question for you. Any idea what is this one? That's it, sir. Super. So model creation actually. We are just trying to importing the model. Back to the session. In data science project, importing the statements we can write at middle also. That is a valid. Do you know this point? Yeah, if you don't know, let me tell you. If anyone is coming from Java, if you're from Java, you have to write import statements only at the top actually. If you're writing in between, you will get an error. But Python is not like that. You can write import statements in between. That's still okay actually. It is accepted. Okay. We are just trying to importing a class name is so called as a Navy based classifier, text based analytics. It can handle the text, right? The same name. In machine learning, Gaussian NB, am I right? But in text NLP actually Navy based classifier. Okay, good. Quite interesting. Now let us create the model. Daniel, model creation. With the training data set, you are giving a training actually. Daniel, this one is so called as a model. Here you don't need to call fit method actually. You are giving the training data set, and here while you are creating an object, you are passing as a parameter, backend constructor will execute. That constructor will take the data set and it will start giving training automatically. It will start giving training what exactly, sir? Automatically. Now let's move on with the data set. I'm repeating again. When I say training data set, sir, it is positive plus what exactly? Negative. Now the model knows positive review, negative review. We train with the data. Good, make a note on this. And now model got trained actually. Come on, can I run? Let's run. Very good. Move to the next actually. Testing model accuracy. Testing what exactly, sir? Let us check the model accuracy. Let us check what exactly, sir, model accuracy. Model dot, there is a method. Method name is called as accuracy, you can call. You can check the model accuracy. I have a question for you. What is accuracy? Method. No, sir. Siddiq Sarji. Okay, anyway, good point you bought it. Let me explain one more time. See here, let me tell you. Let me tell you. Look at my screen. Look at my screen. Think like this one is a data set actually, right? So started from first record till to 5,000 actually, 5,000, right? So think like 5,000. We started from 0. We are not giving anything means the first record, and here we are taking what exactly till 300 actually. Yeah, good, Daniel. 300 we are taking. Positive review. Now the next positive review, we are starting from 300. That's okay, one review. So here 299, am I right? Whenever you are providing 300, 299, right? Now we are starting from 300. There is no overlap actually. Sir, Siddiq Sarji, according to your question I'm answering. Did you understand? Perfect. Let's move on. No duplicate. Okay, so can I run the code one more time? Okay, we got accuracy. How much accuracy? 75. Your model is being getting training. Yeah, you have to give, see. I have given on an average 600 rows actually, 600 strings. It is taking long time. If you given 5,000 actually, gone case, it takes little longer time. Good, let me tell you. Accuracy is a 70. You give any statement, 70% of chances it will tell either positive or negative. Either positive or negative. Model will get success. Look at the other side. 30% are chances model may fail wrong also. Model will give what exactly? Wrong also. Why? Because frankly speaking, we have taken raw data. We didn't apply NLP technique. What do you mean by that? Did we did we remove the stop words actually? No. Are we handling any expressions actually? Any special symbols we are not handling. That's why 30% of, so there are 30% of the chances model will fail. But anyway, let me check actually. Yeah, yeah. You can just hit okay. There is one of the teammate question. This is the private question, but I can make it question public. Yeah, yeah, good. So one of the learner, actually, one of the learner. Are Daniel, should we start applying for jobs actually? As the course come to the end, can we start with the data analyst jobs first, and can we answer the end of the class? Yeah, sure. Answer. It would be good to start now actually. And meanwhile, let me finish ML project also. ML project and database also will close, and Power BI also will close. You will get an idea. Get ready. Uh, to start giving interview, please, you should be good in subject. You should be good in what exactly, man? Subject. Get ready. And can I share templates actually? Can I share resume templates? Resume templates actually, how the resume it will be. Anyway, I will help you how to prepare the resume. But if you guys are looking for the templates, I will share actually. Data science, fresher resume and experienced resume. Fresher profile and what exactly? Experienced profile actually. I will help with you. Okay. Definitely. It would be good to start. Where are we? Maybe we trained the model. Now, sir, we trained model, right? Now it's the right time I wanted to check how the model performance actually. To check how the model performance, give me some positive review. Model supposed to tell it is positive. Give some negative reviews. It is supposed to tell some what exactly? Negative actually. Come on, let's try actually. Let's try. Okay. So here it should be. Chapan sir, it should be model. Yeah, you talk with me. It was wonderful movie. I liked it very much. Positive or negative? Positive. Right. Classify is a method. You are giving the model. With model we are checking. We'll see 71% chances it's supposed to get positive actually. But if you're getting negative, positive. Perfect. Nice, man. Very good actually. I mean, your model trained such a nicely. But still, the best practice will be try to handle, so kind of some stop words, try to handle special symbol, then you will get a more clarity. Your model will become more efficient actually. And feed with more data. As of now, my system is crying actually. I'm unable to give the total data. Let us just try to give more reviews. Then you will get a more clarity. Okay. Testing the model. Good. You can. I don't like movies having. Chappan sir, I don't like movies having what exactly happy. I mean to say some crying is required, I guess actually. Am I right? Maybe classify that what exactly classify. I don't like movies having happy ending actually. Have you seen movies so called Gajini? Have you seen? Uh, okay, fine. Let's move on. Testing the model. Yeah. So seems to be this one is a negative. The next one, testing the model. Sir, once you created model, if you want, you can check your model how good you are actually. I'm repeating again. This one is a pre-trained model. That one is pre-trained. I mean to say that model is already well trained actually. That model is already well defined. Then you can cross verify either your model is working fine, or if you want, you can integrate with this pre-trained model as well. That's what even we are doing. This one is our model. This one we are classifying. For text blob, you can specify the same actually, and you can use your model also. This is something like we created our model. Even we are checking with the pre-trained model. My answer is right or wrong actually. Yes, automatically it is telling it is a positive only. Yes, from my side also positive. That's okay. Proceed actually. Can I repeat one more time? No, no, no. It's very simple. Look at my screen. I'm sure this is our model, sir. Think like instead of classifier model. What we even can do is already yesterday I have covered one topic. The topic name is called as a text blob. Text blob will tell polarity and subjectivity. Am I right? Yeah. Now here, what exactly we can do is take text blob and you can provide even the text actually kind of some review. And here you are configuring the model what you have prepared actually, what you have prepared. Here classifier equals to model. Now you are getting the both result actually. What result sir? What exactly, so yes, this one is a positive. Boss, this one is exactly positive actually. We are getting this one. That's what even you need to be understand. Here, our model result actually. And here, so the text blob model result confirmation. Our what we have prepared, our model is good model actually. Good model. Siddiq sir, I need more practice on ML. In the meantime, I want to start data analytics. One more learner. One of the learner actually. One of the what exactly learner. One of the learner. I will stop, sir. Is it okay? Yeah, yeah. I need more practice on ML. In the meantime, I wanted to start data analytics incorporating a few basics on ML model like a regression on machine learning. These are all things actually. It's okay. Cool. Best example, if I am in your position, best example to start give interview actually. First, I will spend decent time with the practice. Morning to evening, I will do completely practice. Not only one day, I will allocate maybe some 20 days or else 2 weeks, 3 weeks. I know my capability. I know my free time. Once I am comfortable in a preparation, then I will start giving interview. Sir, before giving interview, please be good in our subject, whatever I have covered actually, then it boosts your confidence. Generally, when you will get fear, మీకు ఎప్పుడు భయం వేస్తుందో తెలుసా టు గివ్ ఎన్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ ల్యాగ్ ఇన్ సబ్జెక్ట్ if you are lag in practice actually. When you are preparing, indirectly you are throwing, out. See, 100 members one side, we are one side actually. Why? Because 100 members randomly they're applying, but we are applying with the subject actually. That really matters. Apply. And one more point. Do you want job actually? Let me tell you. Do you want job? Do you want job actually? Do you want job? Then fine. Everybody I'm telling. Everyone. This is the, with my whole experience, I'm seeing this pattern actually. You will get a job. You will get a job actually. Within these many interviews. Within these many interviews. These many what exactly interview? Frankly speaking, this is my analysis. Almost all my students, sir, in between 1 to 15, you will get a job actually. 1 to 15 interviews, you will get a job actually. Frankly speaking. Are you with me? You have to try first interview. You have to try second interview. You have to try third interview. You have to try fourth interview. Before 15th, let us take maximum 10. 10 is more than enough. 1 to 15 interviews, you will get a job actually. Conclusion of the story, target for 15 interviews. I'm sure you will come up with minimum 2 to 3 offer letters actually. That's the key or fundamental. Don't expect first interview itself, I wanted to crack a job. No. Wrong. I'm sorry for saying. Wrong analysis actually. You may fail, that's still okay. Can I tell you what is my number actually? I got 7th interview job. What interview, sir? I failed 6 times. That's still okay. I learned many things actually. How to talk during interview, how to manage, how to convince, how to give a smile. That to face interviews are seriously awesome. 6 times I failed, sir, but I feel so happy. Why? Because I learned many things actually. Conclusion of the story, if you wanted to get a job, you should have a experience in giving interviews. మీకు జాబ్ రావాలి అంటే ఇంటర్వ్యూస్ ఇవ్వడంలో ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఉండాలి. ఐఎమ్ షూర్ యూ విల్ గెట్ ఏ జాబ్. దట్స్ ద బ్యూటీ. మీకు అర్థమైందా లేదా సార్? దిస్ ఈస్ మై హోల్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఐఎమ్ టాకింగ్. J Sarji, no, fresher jobs also would have. I will share few links actually. Kindly please walk through that. For data analyst role, should we add a few basic ML actually? Yeah, it would be more added advantage, sir. I recommend everybody, try for data scientist job only. Remaining things up to you. I recommend everybody, try for data scientist job only. Remaining, no Daniel, I will take some time. Data analyst, I will try. Up to you. I will not force you actually. I will not force you. You can try for data scientist. You can try for ML engineer. What exactly? There is a good roles in the company. They will give only ML work actually. They will give only ML work actually. Okay. Yeah. Soumya ma'am, not important, frankly speaking. Not important actually. Can I tell you one small point? Till date, I don't know Excel actually. Either you believe or not, I'm not sure. I don't know Excel. That's not a important actually. But in my company, if anyone is giving Excel requirement actually, I will apply pandas. I will apply. You know what is pandas? What is the power of pandas? Actually. Karthik Sarji, what about ML oops actually? Sir, deployment you should have. ML deployment that I'm going to cover. ML deployment actually. There are more good questions I'm getting. When you're talking about ML oops actually, not much important, sir. But ML deployment you should have that I'm going to cover. Okay. Fine then. That's it. This one is a Twitter sentiment analysis actually. Can I tell you good news? We done this. This one is a running topic. Wow. Sir. Such a nice topic we are entering, sir. What is the topic name? Can you tell me? SPACY library. Daniel, there is a prerequisite actually. Prerequisite. Prerequisite is NLTK. What is the prerequisite? If you understand all NLTK example, trust me, we are re-implementing the same example by using SPACY. We are re-implementing. Till now, what are all examples we covered actually? SPACY is the big topic. around some 30 plus pages actually. Get ready to understand. Okay. ChatGPT backend it is using SPACY library. ChatGPT backend it is using either directly or indirectly SPACY library. I'm sure, sir. In old version, I have observed actually. No, I'm talking about in terms of the result. I'm not talking about the GPT actually. However, SPACY can be integrated. I'm sorry. Using in the sense, so you taken in a different way. Let me tell you. However, SPACY can be integrated with what exactly, sir? ChatGPT in certain applications. So to get the result backend, even it is using the SPACY library, the next one will be Hugging Face also. What is that? Hugging Face also. Hugging Face. All right. Fine. Anyway, let's move on. Almost all NLP applications, so they will use NLTK. The next one, SPACY. The next one, Hugging Face also. One library you should aware. Hugging Face also. Okay, fine. Please continue. There are mainly three types of the data we do have. The first one is called as a structured data. Next one is called as a semi-structured data. The next one is also called as what exactly? Unstructured data. Structured, semi-structured, next one, unstructured. Today, more than 80% of the data available in a unstructured data. 80% of the data is available in what format, sir? Unstructured data. Unstructured data is the data which cannot be represented in a tabular form like a text, audio, video, images. These are all. We can use NLP to process and interpret the unstructured data. We can use what exactly, sir? NLP, natural language processing, to process and interpret what exactly? Unstructured data. These are all NLP applications. The first one is called as a sentiment analysis. The next one is speech recognition, text classification, sentiment analysis actual, classification. I'm sorry, text classification in the sense what exactly, go to the exactly newspaper, politics, separate news, classified, sports separate edition, district separate edition, main separate edition actually. That is something like a classification. Machine translation, semantic search actually, either grammatically this one is right or wrong. News article summarization, answering questions. Ayush sir, there are many applications actually. NLP, these are all NLP related applications. Live example, Google Assistant, Amazon, chatbot, language translation, article summarization, and many things we can do. Article summarization, many things we can do actually. Okay, good, make a note on this. Transformers, GPT, go, so maybe you might have seen generative GPT transformers. We do have different Python libraries to work with NLP, NLTK, SPACY, GenSim, transformers. SPACY and GenSim, these two are very popular actually, and along with the transform also important, sir. Daniel, how to install? This is the way to install. So anyway, we are going to work with the SPACY and transformers, and you need to install pip install SPACY. Let me just try to install. You have to install today itself. Why? Because online team, kindly please install this. Now, sir, once you done SPACY library, then you have to install this one also, Python -m. Daniel, I'm planning to working with English related version. SPACY download in your local EN Core Web SM. We have to install this one also. You have to install this one also. Is it taking a little longer time? That's still okay. Good. Perfect. It is telling how to load actually. I know very well how to load. Thank you. Let's move on. Yeah, yeah. Now, very good, sir. See, exactly. We are loading. SPACY load, so and so. Here also it is giving the suggestion. You can load the simple. We have downloaded English related version model. What model? English related version model. EN Core Web SM actually. Okay. Good, sir. Online team, is my voice is clear? I need one response from anybody. Is my voice is clear? Almost all companies are using this SPACY library, sir. I request you. We in our company we have implemented this one. There are many requirements we have, so worked on this one. Let us start the cinema. Okay. SPACY. Did I add it here? SPACY. There is important flow, like a machine learning, like a data, data frame, feature engineering. Here also you will get a flow. Here also you will get what exactly flow actually. Ready to understand. Ready to understand. I will read this theory. Hold on. First of all, I will execute this example. You will get an idea. So get ready to understand. We are importing the SPACY, Daniel. That's still okay. We are importing the SPACY. Now you can just try to load the English related library. I will give this name. I mean function call. You are calling the function assigning into variable means backend return. Okay, good. The next step will be hello Daniel. Good evening. You can just try to take. You can create b equals to hello Daniel. Good evening. I have a small question. What is the type of B, Chaptara? Stay very good. You can just have to check this type of B. Look at my Control C. Look at my code. Hello Daniel, good evening. String data type. You already know this. String data type. Sir, what we are doing, in any SPACY program, any SPACY application, string data we need to convert into SPACY document object. Cheppandi. SPACY document object. That is a flow number 1. That is a flow number 1 actually. Flow number 1. What is a flow number 1, sir? First to Daniel will get a text data. Then the text data, nothing but a string actually. We need to convert into a SPACY doc object. That is a flow. Daniel, why? Let me tell you, in string, on an average, would have a thing like a 20 methods. But if you convert string to SPACY document object, you have a lot of functionality. Let me tell you, let us take a milk. Cheppandi sir, let us take a milk. We are transforming into code actually. Are you with me or not, sir? Why? Because kids may not drink the milk directly, but they like code. They like what exactly? Code. Everything has its own advantages actually. Here also, go back to the data. Next transformation is the data frame in machine learning. Am I right? Ante kada, sir? In machine learning, tell me data. The next one is what exactly? Data frame. Here also same story actually. Here also what exactly, sir? Same story. First one is the text data. We need to convert into what exactly? SPACY doc object. How to do that, sir? Adi ela cheyalo telusa meeku? This is the step actually. This is the step. I will ask one question. Get ready. Think like this one is a C, A of B. A of what exactly? B. Sir, I will ask one question, please. I will ask one question. Look at my screen. Import SPACY. A equals to SPACY.load, so and so package name. And this one is a string actually. Now, A of B. First of all, A is what here? Variable. And you are opening the parenthesis and you are passing this B actually. This kind of syntax where we have seen. I will give 2 minutes time. Countdown start actually. This kind of syntax where we have seen. Left hand side there is a variable. Right hand side that variable we are using as a parenthesis like a function call actually. Where we have seen. Ekkada chusam ee syntax manam. Online team. You can take your time. Meanwhile, so I will drink water. Important, sir. If your A is variable, it's okay. I will not force you. Lot of reason required. By looking at the code, you need to compare actually. Where we have seen, చెప్పమంటారా example తో A equals to, did you remember lambda? X comma y. X comma what exactly? Y. X plus y. Result equals to A of parenthesis 10 comma 20. See, almost it is left hand side variable. Here also left hand side variable. When it comes to here, we are using parenthesis. Same story, sir. Am I right? Same syntax. If you are able to compare like that, then only you can understand the subject man. Let me just try to test.py. Yes, see, we are getting result actually. Can I get a response actually? Where we have seen this kind of syntax during lambda. Can I get a confirmation from you? Good. Sir, done, your task is done actually. Right. You successfully have converted from string to what you have converted, sir? Cheptara? SPACY document. What you have converted actually? SPACY document. Daniel, why? More functionality, man. You will get a lot of functionality. I will tell you one by one what functionality you will get actually. This is the flow. String data, we are converting into SPACY doc object. SPACY doc object. Yeah, Daniel, first one is a string. We have converted into doc. Doc means nothing but a document. Something like a sentence. Something like a beautiful step actually. మీకు అర్థమైందా లేదా సార్ గుడ్ దిస్ is something like a data to data frame. This is something like a text to data to space document object. Milk to curd. Again, curd to ghee. Curd to what exactly mean? Am I right? Good. Daniel, what is going on here? Converting string to SPACY doc object. All right. Yeah, man. Yeah, let's move on. The raw text data also called as a text corpus. Yeah, it has a lot of noise. Means lot of mess up data, special symbols, stop words. Raw text having the punctuations, special symbols, and stop words. From the raw data, we need to process the text by using what exactly mean? NLP technique actually. A text can be converted into object of SPACY. What object actually? Doc object. Chappan sir? Doc object. Doc object actually. Can you tell me the flow actually? Flow cheptara? String. The next one is a doc actual. What is a doc here? SPACY document object. Let's move on. Online team, are you clear? If you want, I will rerun the example one more time for your better understanding. For your better understanding. For your better understanding. Import the SPACY. Let me tell you. Here you can just have to import that model. This one is called as a predefined library or model actually. Provide here is the name of the variable A. Now B should be, hello, good evening. Now convert this one into C equals to A of B. In your childhood 10th class actually this one is the formula. C equals to A of B. Something like in suite actually. Right? Sir, in this step, this one is a major step actually. We converted string to SPACY doc. We converted string to what exactly? SPACY doc. Store into the C. Such a powerful actually. Do you want it to print both actually? రెండింటిని print చేద్దామా? Let us print B. Daniel, check the type of B. Okay, sir. Daniel, print C. Check print C. I'm sorry. Check the type of C. Check what exactly type of C. Yeah, beautiful. Both are same. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. String having only 20 methods, but SPACY document, you will see, you will understand how many functionalities having, you will understand actually. Many functionalities having. Okay, good. Let's move on. Excellent. What is our first topic name, sir? We all don't ask what is tokenization. In NLP, in NLTK, we already done actually. These are all examples. We are re-implementing with the SPACY. But in NLTK, we already done actually. I supposed to start SPACY directly in NLP. But I thought like, let them try. NLTK is the very basic library. Once you understand NLTK, these are all, it will become very easy actually, sir. Sir, tokenization. Can I tell you? In NLTK, tokenization, how you done actually? Word tokenize, very good. Madam is telling, Harry Daniel, we need to call a function. Function name is so called as a word tokenize. But here, let me show you. Let me explain actually. Wow, very nice, man. Now, right. So I will tell you. The process of extracting the tokens from the text or document is called as a tokenization. What we need to give, sir, try to apply for loop over the document object, over what object actually? Document object, and you can just have to print that word actually. Come on, let's do this actually. Come on, let us just have to re-implement one more time. Cheppandi. Import SPACY good equals to SPACY.load SPACY.load actually. Yeah, Daniel. This one should be A. And B equals to Chaptara. Hello, good evening. How are you guys? How are you doing? How are you doing? Good. Now C equals to Chappan sir. A of B. Chappal andru. A of one more time. A of B. We'll do one thing. Print for T in C. Print of T. Very good. Let me just have to print actually. Very nice. We are getting all one by one word actually. We'll do one thing. Can I ask you a question? What is a C? Very good. Doc object. What is a C? Doc object. Sir, document means group of tokens. Chaptara? Now here every word is what exactly, sir? Yeah, that's what you need to get. Daniel, can you please prove actually? Yeah, let me prove. Let me prove. See, document means group of tokens. Very nice. Very nice. First word token, second word token, third word token actual. Can you help me the flow? Yeah. String, document, next one. Excellent actual. That's the flow. Adi meeku ardham kavali. Did you understand, sir? I need a response. String, document, token. One more time. String, document. For your better understanding, let me write one more time. The same example I will re-implement one more time. You will get a more clarity. Kada? Yeah. Then let's do this actual. Word tokenization. Import SPACY equals to A. B equals to today climate is very hot. Think like this actually. Very hot in Hyderabad. C equals to Chappan. Yeah. Can I ask a question? What is the C here? Document. Document means group of tokens. Do you wanted to see the tokens actually? Apply for loop. Apply for loop. Right, good. For T and C, you can just have to print what exactly, sir? T. Yeah, good. Daniel, check that every word type actually. If you are checking every word type, what you will get, sir? Chaptara. Type of T. Type of what exactly? T actually. Now let us just have to rerun this. Perfect. Today, token, climate. Token is, token, very hot. Tell me the flow. Flow చెప్పండి. String, doc, token. One more time. String, doc, token. Now, in token, lot of functionality we are going to work. ఇప్పుడు దాని మీద మనం వర్క్ చేయబోతున్నాం. Now, what do you mean by document? Group of tokens. చెప్పండి. Yeah, that's it actually. Very nice. Online team, can we apply regular Python string manipulation operating with SPACY actually? Siddiq Sarji, excellent question, but let me tell you, in string, it don't have that much functionality. That's why we are converting string data into the document to token. Did you understand? I will cover. Yeah, great actually. Sir, the next example belongs to one more point actually. One more point. The next example. Talk with me the flow, sir. Can you tell me the flow? What is the flow here? String to doc, document to. Now, Daniel, this is interview question. I have a token, right? Can I convert token into reverse back string? Actually, you can do. This is something like vice versa. 1 to 2, 2 to 1. That is possible actually. Imagine here I applied all my functionality. Now I don't want token data type. I need string data type. I need what data type? You can do reverse engineering actually. How to do that one, Sir, listen carefully one more time. Daniel, I have given string. You convert it into document. And doc to what exactly? Token. Now you applied all functionality. You got a result actually. Whenever you are sharing the result, you have to share in a string format. What format? Now, can I go back token to string? Actually, that is absolutely possible. That is absolutely. How to do that one, Adi manu ela chalo telusa? Simple, man. Any idea what is the text actually here? Word means token. What is the text actually here? Excellent, sir. Cheppandi. Attribute actually. Now, this one is a token. I hope you got it. I will write one by one. I will write. You will get a clarity. First of all, let us just have to print T. Next one, you can just have to print type of T. Type of what exactly? T. Come on, let me just have to print. You already printing actually. Daniel, T dot text. Here also T dot what exactly? Text. Let us print. Wow, we converted token to what exactly, man? String actually. Are you with me? Perfect actually. Vice versa is possible. Chapter flow. Can you tell me? String, document, token. If you want reverse way, you can convert. Here you need to apply. What you need to apply? Attribute. What you need to apply? Perfect. Yeah. Tomorrow is so much fun actually. With SPACY we are giving left and right. I will bring tomorrow in ChatGPT. I have seen. First of all, I will read the article. Then only I can confirm actually. Maybe this one is a current version ChatGPT. I will confirm tomorrow. Old version they have applied. They have used the SPACY library actually, right? And we are just trying to the flow. String to token. Token to. Sorry, sir. Thank you. Document. When I say documents, sentence. Token. Tokens, right? Fine. Then we done today's session. We'll connect again tomorrow. Don't miss tomorrow's session.
జాబ్స్ పోస్టింగ్ దాంట్లో యాడ్ చేస్తాను కదా మెసేజ్ చేసి వాట్సాప్ పంపించండి సార్ 772